everybody, I'm Ellie. I would have been the arts and crafts specialist this summer at Stony Brook. Today we are going to make breakfast burritos over the fire. So what you need is your Dutch oven with foil. We have some butter in here, but you can use oil. We have mushrooms, onions, peppers, but you can use whatever vegetables you want. We have eggs, and we have some shredded cheese. So first we're going to saute our vegetables. So we got mushrooms and some onions. And some peppers. Okay, so now we're going to take this over to the fire. And then once those are cooked, we will be back and we'll put the eggs in. Now we're going to put the eggs in. So before we cook the eggs, we have to whisk them. So we're going to break the eggs over the bowl. And then we will just whisk them together with a fork. I mean, you can use a whisk too if you want, but we're just using a fork. Okay, so now we're just going to stir this up a little bit so the eggs can cook and they're not all just one big clump. Alrighty, so the eggs are done. So now we're just going to take our stick and take it off of the fire and carefully bring it over here. Now we're just going to take a little bit of our mix and top it with some shredded cheese. And that's it. Perfect.